Hello and welcome to the weekly predictions. Today we'll be talking about the week that starts on 20th, that is Monday, and ends on 26th, that is Sunday. During the course of the discussion today, we'll be looking as to how exactly the week is placed, what exactly in store for each and every one of us, and one guidance from one of the angel card decks. The decks that I'll be using is a traditional tarot, the healing with the angels, and angel therapy oracle cards. And that's how we'll be moving. Moving ahead, I'll be picking two cards each as to how exactly the week will be, and then one card at the end of the day in terms of guidance. So moving ahead, here I pick the two cards from traditional tarot and two from healing with the angel cards. Looking at the cards, we it's basically a mixed week is what I feel. The week precisely will be a week that might start with celebrations, but then at the end of the week we might start feeling a little bit lost in terms of the aspects that we are looking to achieve in future. Slight bit of tension, little bit of worry, and then at the same time tending to be a bit emotional at the end of the week is what the week has in store. In terms of celebrations, be little controlled. Do not go ahead and have an exaggerated celebration, as that might impact. And at the same time, be little careful with your counterparts. When I say counterparts, it could be partners, it could be relatives who precisely may not be treating you in the best possible way. So be little careful in those aspects. It certainly indicates some discontentment over there. So that is how exactly the week is placed. Looking at the angel with the healing cards, it again is a week as the predictions went from traditional tarot. It also means that the week will start with celebration. You'll feel within yourself, you'll feel an attraction within yourself. So you might well be attracted towards yourself. You might spend more time on you, and then at the same time, as the week ends, as the week will be ending, you will be inclined more towards meditation and moving on to certain aspects, looking inward, as the verbiage should be used. So you will be looking inward and trying to get the answers within. That is how exactly the week is placed. A tip is what I can actually go ahead and give is, if there is any government related work which has been pending for quite some time, it's advised that you do not go ahead and get um, start doing or start working on it or take it to completion in this week. Better to push it off to the next week is what I would suggest. At the same time, if there is something that you are looking to go ahead and do in terms of any creative aspect, yes, this is a week that you can actually go ahead and look at. So be little creative, be little innovative, and that's how the week will be. Avoid situations where you have to get the government related works and other stuff. Avoid those situations, it will be good for you. And that's how the week is placed. If I go ahead and pull a guidance card from any of from the deck that I have, one guidance is what I'll go ahead and pull, and the guidance would basically mean as to what exactly should be done in the week to help each one of us. And the guidance card goes as follows. It says, if you have any addictions, that's the guidance. So it says, if you have any addiction, you probably should go ahead and leave those addictions behind. Could well be a situation that you might have been thinking for quite some time about this particular situation, and that's how it is, and that's how this card has come. So there are certain addictions or negative behaviors, those are actually blocking you from moving ahead and blocking you in achieving more. So go ahead and leave those addictions behind, try to get out of those situations. That is something which will work well. At the same time, I don't know from where this thought came, but then if there is anyone who is listening to this and has a feeling or has a thought wherein you might be going through bad dreams or a bad phase for quite some time, then you need to go ahead and approach someone who could help you come out of it. This is the week which will help you out in the best possible way. The easiest tip I can actually go ahead and give is probably to take a glass full of water, keep it beside your head while sleeping, and then pour that water in any of the plants the next day. Do this 3 days, it will definitely go ahead and help you. Overall, as I said, a week full of celebrations, little bit of confusions, good to avoid the government stuff and then move forward. Look inward, that is the best that you can actually go ahead and do. And when you look inward, do try to focus on the negativities that you want to remove from within you. That is something which will definitely go ahead and help. Rest all is fine. Do take care. Keep smiling. As I always say, it makes the world a better place to live in. Have a great week. Enjoy the week and spread love and happiness in the world. That's what we are here for. Thank you.